You're watching Judy Bonnie's Kitchen, where she believes the kitchen is the heart of the home. Enjoy.
What's up, everybody? Welcome once again to
Judy
Bonnie's Kitchen. Judy Bonnie's Kitchen. Here today we are making simple yet easy recipe.
KFC style.
KFC style fried
KFC
chicken.
Yes.
Homemade.
Tasty, fresh,
Crunchy.
crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside.
And today
Yes.
we are two of us.
Ooh, it's a collabo.
Collabo.
Ooh, Judy fit Bonnie.
Bonnie. Together.
Bonnie's
You're
Kitchen.
in the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Stay locked.
Stay locked.
Stay subscribed. Having done that, I think now we are gonna be adding a little bit of salt.
That's good because you can see it's really smooth. Salt and pepper.
Yeah, and some little bit of paprika.
A little bit of paprika, that one.
Just a pinch, because already we are gonna be mixing them to our flour.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you're gonna mix them all together. And then she's gonna be adding lemon juice. If you're the kind of the guy that love lemon juice, this is a place to put it. It's very nice. She loves lemon on her chicken.
You love lemon.
I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice. And remember, we are going to write them down in the description box, so don't worry about them. We're gonna be mixing all our dry ingredients to our corn flour together with our all-purpose flour. Then mix them all together.
Yep.
So we are not gonna put sugar in here. We are gonna be using
Clear natural honey.
There we go. But you can put sugar. If you wanna put sugar, obviously you're gonna mix it together with your flour in here. But since we're not using sugar, we are using honey. We are putting in our egg wash.
And mix it in really well.
Meanwhile, as she's doing that, I'm gonna be putting some salt on my chicken. Massage your chicken with a little bit of salt on it.
Massage. Give it a good massage.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look.
That's why you say you just need your wife in the kitchen. Don't try this at home. Okay guys, the next step, what we wanna do now, we'll be putting our chicken in our egg wash. And we wanna leave them there for half an hour. Let me see. What's the egg for, darling?
It makes it sticky to stick
Wow,
to
there you go, baby. There we go. Yeah, the egg is like our glue. It will help our flour to stick on the chicken.
Yeah.
So that's why we want to leave them for half an hour so that they can be able to soak well and they'll be able to stick.
Right, so our chicken are well covered with the egg wash. And as my baby said, it acts as a glue. So we cover it for half an hour.
Here we go, guys. Half an hour gone, and now we are going uncovering our chicken that have been. Remember, it has been in egg wash, maybe.
Yeah, it's been covered for half an hour.
Yep.
And now it's time to start.
Action now. So at this moment, what we are having is chicken coated in egg wash and flour full of seasoning, spices, everything. And remember, I have extra egg wash again because we want our chicken, to have that good sticky thickness when we put them in the flour. So
we made an extra one, so you can make an extra one if the first one was not enough.
Yeah, obviously, because we got a lot of chicken.
Yeah, we've got a lot of chicken, yeah.
But if you are doing like 5 pieces, you don't have to do another one.
Yeah, I don't need to do
So
another one.
you dip.
And another secret here, we want to check if our oil is ready. So just dip in your wooden spoon in the oil. And wow, I can see the bubbles, so that's ready. Once you see the bubbles, your oil is ready.
There we go. After that, you wanna dip them in your flour. Roll it, make sure it is all covered. Look the way it looks. I want it to stick more, so I'm putting back again to the egg wash. There we go. And again to our flour. Then you wanna dip it in your oil. You wanna leave it there for about 12 to 15 minutes.
Then 6 minutes now. I'm gonna turn them over. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share the video, like and comments. We love reading all your comments.
Baby, are they ready?
I think they are now. Look at them.
Wow, look at that. Look at that.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Wow, it's ready. Look at that.
Wow, look at that. Wow.
Let me show them. Let me show them. Let me show them. Look at that. KFC style, homemade.
Ooh, homemade. Wow.
Let's remove our chicken, baby. Look,
Wow. Look amazing.
look at our fried chicken. There we go. Wow. Wow, guys, these are gonna be amazing chicken. The smell is amazing. KFC homemade.
Please make it, especially for Sundays. Oh my word.
Wow. All done, guys.
All done. Thank you for
did it.
sticking on.
We did it once again.
Yep.
It's Judy Bonnie's kitchen here. Going to our favorite part. Actually, it's my favorite part,
Oh,
darling.
it's your favorite. I don't like tasting live on camera. No.
Look at that.
Look at that. Ooh.
Choose your own piece, darling.
Oh my word. I think I'll choose the biggest. Oh my word. Look at that.
Oh, guys,
Sorry,
guys.
guys. Sorry.
Let's see how it goes. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, go.
So crunchy. Oh my word. Look. That's the best. Oh my
KFC,
word.
homemade chicken. All flavors are coming in nicely.
Mm-hmm.
It's juicy inside, crunchy from
Very.
the outside.
Very soft.